Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the latest 2026 method to download and install TrollStore on your iPhone or iPad. No PC, no jailbreak required. And the best part, you can install IPA files on iPhone and iPad permanently. No 7-day expiry, no revokes like eSign or other signing apps. Plus, with TrollStore you can also enable JIT, just in time without using a computer. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because you don't want to miss this. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain. TrollStore is a powerful iOS app installer that works on iOS 14.0 up to iOS 17.0 supported devices only. It allows you to install IPA files permanently. No certificate revokes. No 7-day limit like sideloading. Works without jailbreak, and even supports JIT enabling without PC. Now before we start, this is very important. Make sure you check your device compatibility first. Go to the official TrollStore GitHub page and confirm if your iOS version is supported, because not all versions are supported. For reference, I'm personally testing this on my iPhone running iOS 15.6, and it works perfectly. Alright, let's get into the installation process. First open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone. Now you will see Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now scroll down, and then you will see Troll Installer X link. Simply hit on Get in front of Troll Installer X link, and then hit Install to install Troll Installer X in your iPhone.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive, we would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way, we were careless, we were fearless.
Once Troll Installer X is installed in your iPhone, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Trust again to let Troll Installer X work in your iPhone. Now open Troll Installer X app. Then hit on Install TrollStore. Then simply select the Tips option. And boom! TrollStore is now installed on your iOS device. Now open TrollStore and open Settings option, and you will see Update TrollStore option. Simply hit on Update TrollStore to let the TrollStore update to the latest version. And now we are good to use the latest version of TrollStore on our iOS device. Now let me show you how to install IPA files. First, simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone, and then open TrollStore. Then simply hit on plus sign on top, and then hit on Install IPA file, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. Then hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone. And just like that, it installs permanently. No expiration, no revokes, it stays on your device forever. Plus another insane feature is JIT support without PC, perfect for emulators and advanced apps. So yeah guys, that's how you can download and install TrollStore on your iPhone or iPad using the latest updated method in 2026. If this video helped you out, drop a like. I'll see you in the next one.